My barrel pump quit working. I got it for free, but I decided to tear it apart. It's got a brass piston ring at the top. I greased everything, it still wouldn't work. Well, come to find out, I took the cylinder off. There's a check valve, and it had rusted. You can see rust there. I cleaned it all up. That check valve goes in there. Then the barrel's got a taper. It screws into there. I'm getting ready to put it back together and put that brass piston ring back on it. I might get an O-ring for it. And I'll see if it works. I pumped 55-gallon drums of rainwater with it. When I took it apart last time, the vise or pipe wrench put a little dent in there. And then it would get stuck to the inside plunger. I took it all apart today and then it wouldn't work. I had brake hones, I had a file, cleaning brush, I had cleaning paper. I worked on it, and I got it working. So my barrel pump is functional now.